home is a safe haven, a place of love and comfort where you can rest and recharge. Hi, I'm Sam.
Hi, I'm Jen.
We're the proud owner of this lovely home. We have some items in mind, but we do not know how to implement them, so we entrusted our design concepts to Donovan from Ideology. After a few discussions, we ended up with the current concept, which we are very pleased with. We conducted price comparison in the market. However, Ideology stood up for their exceptional professionalism and detailed explanation. We also met and spoke with some of their contractors. In the end, we trusted our gut feeling and it turns out to be the right decision. Our home's unique features is a smart home. My favorite room will be the 90% soundproof karaoke room, which houses a separate study room where I spend most of my time. Throughout the renovation process, I have been impressed by the strong trust and rapport between him and his contractors. We are confident that they can provide the same high level of workmanship and reliability to anyone who contacts them. Thank you for watching. Please visit Renopedia for more information.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.